Hello, how are you today? Ciao bambini, come state? Maestra Eva che vi parla. Allora, è giunto il momento di andare un pochino avanti anche in inglese e imparare cose nuove. Today's topic is toys. L'argomento di oggi sono i giocattoli. Spero vi piaccia. Let's learn some words. Andiamo a imparare qualche parolina. Wow, what is it? Che cos'è? It's a ball. Can you repeat, please? Potete ripetere? It's a ball. What color is it? Di che colore è? What color is it? It's blue. What is it? It's a car. Can you repeat, please? It's a car. What color is it? It's green. What is it? It's a doll. Can you repeat, please? It's a doll. What is it? It's a kite. Can you repeat, please? It's a kite. What color is it? It's red, yellow, green, and blue. What is it? It's a bike. Can you repeat, please? It's a bike. What color is it? It's red. Wow, what is it? It's a plane. Can you repeat, please? It's a plane. What color is it? It's white. What is it? It's a scooter. Can you repeat, please? It's a scooter. What color is it? It's pink. Wow! What is it? It's a skateboard. Can you repeat? It's a skateboard. What color is it? It's yellow and red and orange. What is it? It's a teddy bear. What color is it? It's brown. What is it? It's a video game. Can you repeat? Video game. Ok, ora vediamo altre due paroline nuove, due aggettivi che ci servono per descrivere i nostri giocattoli. Ok, let's see, vediamo. A teddy bear and another teddy bear. Abbiamo due orsacchiotti. Che differenza c'è? What's the difference? Ok, this one is old. Questo qui è vecchio, old. And this one, e questo qui, is new, nuovo. Questo è nuovo, new. It's old. It's new. Quindi old, ripeto, vecchio, new, nuovo. Is it old or new? È vecchio o nuovo? The car, is it old or new? It's old. È vecchia. Is it old or new? It's new. Is it old or new? Is the ball old or new? It's new. Is it old or new? It's old. Is it old or new? What do you think? Che cosa pensate? Vecchio o nuovo? It's old. Is it old or new? It's new. Is it old or new? The Spider-Man bike, is it old or new? It's new. And this one, is it old or new? Yes, it's old. And you? What have you got? E tu? Che cos'hai tu? Tra i giocattoli? I've got a ball, a doll and a bike. Io ho una palla, una bambola e una bicicletta. And you? E tu? I've got a